Redmi Note 7 is one of the newly launched devices in Redmi Note series. Hello everyone, I am Utkarsh Kushwaha and you are watching Technically Noob. So let's get started. It has been provided with Snapdragon 660 processor clocked at 2.2 GHz, 6.3-inch Full HD Plus LCD dot-notch display, 12 plus 2 megapixel rear camera, 13 megapixel front camera, 4000 mAh battery, 1080p 60 fps 30 fps video recording, and with 1080p 120 fps slow motion video recording. It also has 3.5mm headphone jack, Type-C charging port, quick charge 4 support, 10-watt charger included in the box, and weighs 186 grams only. Let's unbox it. I here have a 4GB 64GB Ruby Red variant. First we have some manuals and a transparent silicone case. Redmi Note 7 has a premium design having glass back and dot-notch display. The front camera is 13 megapixel sensor and has f2.0 aperture, and the rear cameras are 12 plus 2 megapixel having f2.2 aperture. Let's boot it up and see if it has any charge remaining. It has MIUI 10.2 based on Android Pie out of the box. Now let's try the speed of fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Now let's check if it has GCam support. Yes, it has GCam support. See samples taken from GCam provided in the description. This is slow motion 1080p 120 fps taken from GCam. This is 4K 30 fps video sample from GCam. This is 1080p 60 fps recording from MiCam. This is 1080p 30 fps front camera video recording from GCam. This is 1080p 30 fps front camera recording from MiCam. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel to view more such videos.